Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. Today I bring you the unboxing and complete review of Marie Claire Paris shampoo for hair fall control. So I have purchased this shampoo from Flipkart using 197 super coin plus 49 rupees. So right now it is available for 249 rupees in Flipkart for the 300 ml bottle. So it is mentioned that it can reduce the hair fall in just 10 days. It has biotin, which controls hair loss and stimulate keratin production. It has avocado, which stimulates hair growth. So I have used this shampoo. It gives little bit volume to your hair. It is a good quality shampoo. The bottle is also very good quality. It is free from any parabens and sulfates. So it deeply moisturize your scalp. It's a mild shampoo. You can use regularly. So thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe.